So what basically happened to me is this was sharp. This metal cover started peeling off on the left side here, and then I eventually just lightly tugged on it, and the whole darn thing just comes off. Why does this happen? It is held in place by adhesive. What is the solution? A replacement adhesive that we can use to hold it in position again. We can use a stick-on adhesive, or we can get super glue, or we can get epoxy, adhesive of choice, and we're simply going to adhesive this metal plate back in place. Mostly a visual aesthetic thing. Looks kind of ugly without it. I have considered using epoxy for this, but I think that is a little too hardcore. I'll simply use super glue over a large enough surface area. That should be sufficient. Right. Everything wiped down, nice and clean and dry. Really care about being super careful. We can also mask this off around the perimeter to not get any super glue anywhere. We'll want to wipe down the bottom of the metal tray as well. Works on metal. Nice glove and spread it around a little. The glue says hold for 15 seconds, but we did 2 minutes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And lo and behold, looking pretty good. There you go. Your metal scuff plate bumper is installed. Good luck getting it off.